So today we are going to go get our car washed at Washville on Oakland Avenue in Cranston, Rhode Island. There's been a level of inattentiveness here, and you'll see for yourself firsthand the kind of quality that they care about, particularly the employees. It's not the machinery so much, it's the people operating it. And while the wash does a decent job, we're going to show you, like, they don't really care about prepping the car. They could care less. Little stream of water, wet the car. Not really wet the car, but you'll see what I mean. A little bit of a backlog today here because it's a nice day. Now, I have a membership here, that's why I come here. And I'm on a get everything for $25 a month for 3 months. I don't think I'll renew. And you'll see. Now, there's a left and a right hand side to every car, right? And over here, they only care to wet a little bit of the left-hand side. You'll see in a second. Maybe a little bit of the front windshield, maybe a little bit of the side of the car, but it's not even a spray. It's like a tiny stream of water. I don't know what the heck is going on with that, but it's entirely stupid. You'll see what the kid does here. You watch. A little tiny stream of water. No pressure. Not even like a spray. Nothing on the right-hand side of the car at all. How can that pre-treat anything? And on the right-hand side, as you can see, look at the water. It's like a joke. It's almost like something's broken. It's foolishness, absolute foolishness. There's not even a wand with a spray on it. And on the right-hand side of the car, you get nothing. They don't even touch the right-hand side of the car. Right-hand side of my car is completely dry. Absolutely stupid. And I'll sit back, we'll enjoy the car wash. You see coming down in the front of me, and the car in front of me, that didn't even come down for me the other day. We're going to pull over to the side and dry it off finish drying it with a towel. Well, let's see if the chamois thing comes down to wet the hood up. It's coming down today. It did not come down 2 days ago. Let's go around the corner here and dry things off. But you can see there's not much attentiveness. It's kind of sloppy. I don't know if you'll agree or not, but that's the kind of way I see it. I'm not always right either. Take care. Hope you enjoyed the 4K car wash.